Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am going to be showing you how I'm decorating in my journal this week. I like to use a teacher extension pack for my journal. I really like the teacher planner because it has different squares that go vertically down. And that's the way I like to date it so that I have 7 days a week. And they're also lined. So I really like that as well. I'm using the Fresh Start sticker book. I really like the different tones in this book. And it's like the last possible week that I can use it because I'm really trying to switch over to all fall and seasonal stuff. So that's why I'm using it this week, and I am excited. So I put down these two vertical stickers. I put one on Tuesday and one on Thursday, and I really wish that I would have put the one that has all the pencils and that pink background. I really wish I would have put it horizontally down, like on Thursday, Friday kind of spot, but it's okay. It was a really huge sticker, and I feel like I couldn't have picked up the entire thing without ripping it. I've been ripping a lot of stickers recently, but anyways, so I put those two large stickers down, and then I put that cute quote. It's like a blob on Thursday and Friday. Down at the bottom, it's like a deep red. I put that down there. And then a few different apples in a few different spots. That one on Monday says, but first coffee. And of course, I had to put that down. And then there's like that long strip that says, life happens, coffee helps. I thought that was really cute. And that last sheet in the book, there's like these long strips. And I put them down at the bottom, kind of like washi, but I don't know. I don't really know if I like it very much, so I may end up pulling those up. But then that sheet of lots of different pencils, I put a few here and there. But overall, I don't love the way that it turned out. And I really feel like I don't take a ton of time on my journal just because it's not supposed to be anything crazy, but it is what it is. It's okay. I like it. It's fine. So making a few extra little touches, but that's honestly going to be it. I think I like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.